let's open some book fairy mail. I have a very full cart of packages, and some of them have been waiting on me to open them for quite a while, and one of them arrived today. How? I don't know, because I don't have a wish list posted, but it arrived, so let's get everything open. I accidentally opened this one at home because I didn't realize that it was something from the book fairy, and it's a copy of Safi's Angel, and it says, my elementary school librarian used to let us get the first circulation on a book for our birthday. I thought of Safi's Angel as mine forever afterwards, from Nicole. Thank you, Nicole. This is another box that I started to rip into at home, but it's been a while because the stuff inside of it is, well, journals, because we needed more journals at the beginning of the school year, and clearly we got enough journals. Now we have extras. And a copy of Searching for Sancocho. This is one of the books about grief. So there's not a note inside of this box, and I don't know why, but if you sent those, I'm sorry it's been so long, but thank you. Let's see what we have here. Enjoy your gift. Look cool. Feel free to re-gift as necessary. Hope you have a great school year, from Tanya McQueen. This is About Time, a children's guide to history and the science of time. This looks so neat. Thank you so much. This is a DK book. We love DK books around here. Wow, this is really awesome. Thank you. I just found out about this book minutes ago and thought immediately to send it to you. I wish it wasn't so prevalent, but with books like these, we can get through anything. Thank you for all you do, from Taylor Dulake. This is, Taylor, thank you for thinking of us to send this to us. Finding calm during school lockdown drills, not like every day. I hate that we need these kinds of materials, but honestly, I've got a lot of kids that would benefit from this story, so thank you. Some of these boxes have been sitting here and waiting since August, and I think that the fact that it's December has got me realizing I've got to do better. Oh my gosh. It's a pink highlighter set. May your papers be extra fabulous in pink, from Mars and Jean. Bridges come in different shapes and sizes and lead to many different places. May this book help bridge a kid's journey to reading, from Mars and Jean. Enjoy your gift. I had to sneak one in just in case the kids want to try and add a garden fairy as a friend with the book fairy. They need to know how. I hope the stars all shine bright as they can as you work to rebuild and start this new school year. All the other teachers are going green with envy over this set of highlighters. Marcy Jean, thank you so much. You are amazing. There are 2 sets of highlighters, pink and green. These are actually for an ELA teacher, and I hate that I've made her wait so long for these, but she has been rocking it with one color of highlighters all year, and they need 3 for what they're doing, so these are going straight to her. Thank you. We've got a replacement copy of Bridge to Terabithia because ours is destroyed. Number the Stars, a replacement copy. Thank you very much. How to Catch a Garden Fairy, which we have a copy, but I'm not gonna lie, these How to Catch It books are so popular. I can't wait to add another one. And then is this, shut up. This is the 20th anniversary edition of Hatchet. I'm sorry, I just got so excited. It's illustrated. Oh my God. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh, dude. Okay, thank you so much. I mean, I'm always excited, but like I remember reading Hatchet in school. I was in 6th grade when we read it, and it's been one of those books that I just like remembered my whole life. So thank you so much. I'm gonna have to read this first. Enjoy your gift. This series was my favorite growing up. I teach pre-K and have used my copy a lot to cover big emotions and littles, from Lainey Tayon. This is Dino 4s. I'm having a bad day. Oh my gosh. I love these little Dino 4 books. I have seen them before. They are so good at explaining emotions, and this is so cute. They're like good long stories that talk about so much for littles. Thank you. These paper packages are always so hard to find for no reason. This is another book about grief, and I get to add it to my extras pile because I have several extras. Thank you guys so much for everyone that sent them. This is from bookshop.org, which means that there's no note inside of it to tell me who sent it, but I would like to thank whoever sent it. So if you sent it, that's not my address, is it? No, okay, good. We have a Student World Atlas. This is super neat, and they're gonna be really, really excited. I've always got kids asking for like updated versions of this kind of stuff. This is awesome. Thank you. Some of these boxes are like kind of huge and kind of heavy, and I'm not actually sure what is in them. Oh, entire sets of books. Okay, holy cow. Let's see here. Oh, there's so many notes. Okay. I love your videos and I'm excited to help add to your library. These are all books that my kiddos loved and are even wanting to read again as adults. From Jenna S. in Arizona. Let's see. The notes are all flipped backwards. I'm sorry. Oh, that says the same thing. Oh, that says the same thing. Well, Jana, thank you so much. Here's what we've got. No. All right. We have the Charlie Bone series. Oh my gosh. I am so excited to see this. Thank you. And then this, oh my goodness, new copies of this series. You guys, it's the Aragon series. The Aragon book, the first one in the series, went missing a few years ago. And we haven't had a new copy since. And now I have new copies of the whole series. And I've got a kid that wants to read it. This is perfect timing. Thank you. We have yet another box that is larger than what I was expecting. I wonder what is in it. Ooh, okay, we have some notes. Enjoy your gift from Taylor. Enjoy your gift from Taylor. Taylor, thank you so much. We have Cat Science Unleashed. This is a lost book that we are replacing. Very exciting. And then this is the Fairy Tale Fixers, Cinderella. This looks like a graphic novel. Sure enough, this one is new to me, but it looks really cool. Thank you. This is the third box in a row that is much larger than something that I was expecting to receive. Oh my gosh. Tape! I'm so excited. I'm sorry. It shouldn't be so exciting to receive tape, but tape! Taylor, thank you, Taylor. Lots of tape to help you place labels on all the buckets. Taylor, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. And then what do we have here? Is this... Ooh! Organizer bins! Yay! These are more of the plastic organizers that I use for the shelves. Oh my gosh, I have a project to do. Thank you so much. I'm probably gonna have to make a part 2 because I'm almost past 10 minutes of filming, but I've also almost cleared this card out. So I really feel like we've gotten somewhere, and I'm just opening this last one that does not have a note inside of it. Oh wait, yes it does. There it is, I found it. It's a copy of The Bad Seed from Taylor. Taylor, reveal yourself. Which Taylor? Thank you so much. I will see you guys in part 2 where I open 5 more packages. We're almost done, guys. You are amazing.